I am so excited to be back in front of you again. This being the way with the COVID is crazy. I'm going to do a salad. I'm going to do this. I want to do something really quick, very nutritious, super low calorie, and high in protein, and so easy to make. And I want to show you just how to do this real quick. First, I start with, I take a head of romaine lettuce. I like hearts of romaine. And I've cut the end off just a little bit. That's the real tough part to chew on. So I've cut it off. And first I'm just going to easily, it's almost like shredding it. I don't want it too big. I want it more bite size. And I've already put some, to make it fast, in the bowl already. I've already put half of it in. So that is one head of hearts of romaine. And I'm all washed up and sterilized, so I don't want you worrying about my health for me. I then am going to take, now I've got a marinated artichoke hearts, and I'm going to use about half the jar. I used half the other day for something, and I'm going to use half now. I'm going to leave a little bit left because I want to eat it by itself. And I'm going to take these, and again, curling my fingers back so I don't cut them off. These things are kind of slimy, so I'm going to chop these things up real good and kind of move them over here on the side because I'm going to dump everything in at once. Then I've got my avocado. Now I cut my avocado in half. On the other half, just to show you, just take your spoon and gently go around it and it should just lift right out. Now I'm not going to smash this avi up. So I cut through it to make the slices and then once down the middle. And that's done. Now I'm going to just put that right into the salad bowl. Now I've got a mixture here. This is just a deli. It's smoked ham and smoked turkey. I don't want to use roast beef in the salad. It's a little bit heavy. But any of the turkey, any of the hams end up in the salad. And again, I want to cross to make a julienne. Then I cut them in so it'll be nice bite size. In it goes on here. I take 2 slices. I want to use a white cheese. It's a little better for you, a little less in calories. And I've got 2 slices of Havarti and 2 slices of a nice Swiss, an aged Swiss cheese. And in it goes. Now to give me a little crunch, I like this. I use this Kraft Zesty Italian. It just blends really well with that artichoke and with the Swiss cheese. And you don't put a lot. I just put a little on there. Voila, it's done. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a stir. I had a piece of lettuce try to escape that's on here. It must be so sorry. Magic salad. And look at that, and it's done. A nice piece of cheese, cheese bread or garlic bread that's on it. And it's all done, and it's ready for me to eat.